Good morning students. Welcome to BBPS e-learning class. Students, this is your maths period. So take out your maths book and copy. Students, today we will study chapter 4, that is fractions. And we will do state whether the following statements are true or false. Students, you can see here statements are given to you. And you have to tell whether the following statements are true or false. Now students, come to question 1. A fraction is a part of a whole. Students, this statement is true. Look here. You can see here whole square is divided into 4 equal parts, out of which only one part is shaded. So students, whole square is divided into 4 equal parts. So whole part is 4. So we have written 4 as denominator, out of which only one part is shaded. So shaded part is 1. So we have written here 1 as numerator. Now students, 1 by 4. This we have written in a fraction form. What we have done here? Part of a whole. Students, you can see whole part is 4 and shaded part is 1. So 1 by 4. This we have written in a fraction form. What we have done here? Part of a whole. So students, from this point of view, we can say that a fraction is a part of a whole. Now come to question 2. We can write improper fractions as mixed fraction. Students, improper fraction are those fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator. And we can write this type of fraction as mixed fraction. So students, this statement is true. Look here. 8 by 3. Students, you can see here numerator is 8 and denominator is 3. Students, here 8 is greater than the 3. It means numerator is greater than the denominator. So students, 8 by 3. This type of fraction, we call it improper fraction. Because improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator. You can see here 8 is greater than the 3. And this type of fraction, we call it improper fraction. Now students, we can write improper fraction as mixed fraction. Students, you can see here 8 by 3. This is a improper fraction and we can write 8 by 3 as 2 by 3 and this is a mixed fraction. So students, from this point of view, we can say that we can write improper fraction as mixed fraction. Now come to question 3. When a fraction is multiplied by 0, the product is 1. Students, this statement is false because when you multiply any fraction by 0, you always get the answer 0. Students, you can see here 3 by 5. This we have written in a fraction form, and when we multiply 3 by 5 into 0, we get the answer 0. Students, when you multiply any fraction by 0, you always get the answer 0. Or when you multiply any number by 0, you always get the answer 0. So students, from this point of view, we can say that this statement is false. Now come to question 4. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. Students, this statement is true. You can see here, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Students, you can see here 1 is written as numerator, and because denominator is not given to you, so we have supposed 1 as denominator. Now students, when you interchange 1 by 1, you always get the answer 1. When you interchange numerator and denominator, you always get the answer 1, because here numerator is 1 and denominator is 1. So when we interchange 1 by 1, we get the answer 1. So students, from this point of view, we can say that reciprocal of 1 is 1. So this statement is true. Now students, come to question 5. Fractions whose denominators are different are called like fraction. Students, this statement is false, because fraction whose denominators are different, they are called unlike fraction. So students, this statement is false. You can see here 5 by 2. Students, you can see here numerator is 5 and denominator is 2. 2 by 3. Students, you can see here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Now students, in both the fraction, you can see that denominators are different. Here denominator is 2 and here denominator is 3. So students, you can see both the fractions have different denominator, and this type of fraction we call it unlike fraction. Students, unlike fractions are those fractions in which denominators are different. So from this point of view, we can say that this statement is false. Students, now we will do tick the correct answer. Question 1. A fraction with numerator less than the denominator is called a... Students, you can see here 3 options is given to you and you have to take the correct answer. Proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction, it is the combination of whole fraction and proper fraction. So students, your correct answer is proper fraction, because proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator. So your correct answer is proper fraction. Students, look here. 2 by 3. Here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Students, 2 is less than the 3. Numerator is less than the denominator. Here 6 by 8. Numerator is 6 and denominator is 8. So 6 is less than the 8. Numerator is less than the denominator. Now students, you can see that in both the fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. So this type of fraction, we call it proper fraction. Now students, come to question 2. If Madhu read 2 by 7 of a book, मधु ने एक बुक का 2 by 7 पोर्शन पढ़ लिया है. What fraction of the book is still unread? मधु ने बुक का कितना पोर्शन अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है? Now students, whole book is 1. out of which only Madhu read 2/7 of a whole book. Students, part of a book read by Madhu is 2/7. So, part is 2/7 and whole book is 1. Students, in this question, we have to subtract 1 from the 2/7 because whole book is 1 and part of the book read by Madhu is 2/7. So, we will subtract 1 from the 2/7. Now students, look here. 1 minus 2/7. Students, here numerator is 1 and because denominator is not given to you, so we have written 1 as denominator. Now students, we will take the LCM of 1 and 7. So LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. Students, now you can see that in both the fraction, denominators are different. Here denominator is 1 and here denominator is 7. Students, आप देख सकते हो कि दोनों फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर आपको डिफरेंट दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पे 7 है. तो अब हमें इन दोनों डिनोमिनेटर को 7 के बराबर लाना है, यानी कि एलसीएम के बराबर लाना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल कॉपी डाउन 1/1 दिस फ्रैक्शन हियर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 1 को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम के बराबर आए. सो 1 into 7 is equal to 7. स्टूडेंट्स, जिस नंबर से आप नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो उसी नंबर से आप ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. सो 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Now students, your fraction is 7/7. Now students, you will copy down the 2/7 here. स्टूडेंट्स, 7 को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम के बराबर आए, यानी कि 7 के बराबर आए. तो 7 into 1 is equal to 7. जिस नंबर से हम नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसी नंबर से हम ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now students, you can see that in both the fraction they have same denominator, that is 7. So we will keep the denominator same, that is 7 here. We will not subtract the denominator. We will keep the denominator same, that is 7. Now we will subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5/7. Students, 5/7. This is your answer. So 5/7 fraction of the book is still unread. So students, your correct answer is 5/7. B option is correct answer, that is 5/7. Students, 5/7 you can write this as like this also. Now students, come to question 3. 5/4 into 3/4 is the same as. Students, you can see here 3 option is given to you and you have to take the correct answer. Students, 5/4 into 3/4, we have to multiply 5/4 by 3/4. Students, come to here. 5/4, it can be written as 5/4 like this also. Then we will multiply 3/4. Students, 3/4, it can be write as 3/4 like this also. Now students, we have to multiply 5/4 into 3/4. Students, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So 15/16. This is your correct answer. Now students, B option is your correct answer because it is 15 by 16. Students, 15 by 16, this can be right in this form also, 15 by 16. Now students, come to question 4. The fractions which have same denominators are known as. Students, you can see here 3 options is given to you. Like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. Unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominators. Reciprocal, it is used to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So students, your correct answer is like fraction. Students, your correct answer is like fractions. Look here. 4 by 20. Students, here numerator is 4 and denominator is 20. 6 by 20. Here numerator is 6. Denominator is 20. Now students, you can see that in both the cases, denominators are the same. Here it is 20, here it is 20. So, both the cases, denominators are the same. Students, this type of fraction, we call it like fractions. So, like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. Now students, your correct answer is like fractions. Students, note down your homework. Learn true or false and take the correct answer. This is your homework.